In this video, I'll show you how to create a travel itinerary on TripAdvisor. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is just click on the heart icon for trips. Now, we're not going to do plan with AI because that's very well self-explanatory. The AI pretty much does everything for you. We're going to cover the manual one, which is create a trip. So we need to give our trip a name and then click on create trip. And now we need to create our itinerary date. So let's click on itinerary on the top here and then click on add dates/days. And then just click on your start date and click on your end date and hit apply. All right, so now the dates for our itinerary are set up. And now we can hop back over to saves. So anything that you put in saves here, you'll be able to add to the itinerary. So if I click on start exploring on saves, let's say I want to book this hotel. For now, I'm just going to click on the heart icon just to save that and say done. And I can continue to do this to keep building up my saves. And then you'll see when we go to itinerary now, we can say add items. And then now my saved item can be added to a date on my itinerary. And you can just continue to add things to your saves and keep adding them to different dates on your itinerary. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.